The following is our market recap of Q1 of 2021. U.S. equity markets were up 6% in the quarter as investors continue to price in better earnings given improvements in the unemployment rate, improvements in business and consumer sentiment, vaccination announcements, and accommodative central banks. Within this backdrop, yields rose on the 10-year from 1 to 1.6% as expected inflation increased and the bond market started to price in higher rates sooner than later. An environment with gradually rising inflation is ideal for our investment approach of focusing on companies with free cash flow growth. Sentry funds performed well during the quarter as the Sentry US monthly income fund was up 3.7%, ahead of the global equity balance average of 1.1%, so it's first quartile. This fund is also the #1 fund in the category since inception and has just received a 5th consecutive Fund Data Award for outstanding performance, something that we're very proud of. In terms of the portfolio update, in January, we slightly increased our allocation to US equities from 68 to 70%. This decision helped aid the performance of the fund. A few other contributors to the fund on the equity side included Alphabet as well as JP Morgan. Alphabet benefited from a resurgence in advertiser behavior, and JP Morgan performed well in the quarter on the anticipation of higher interest rates and lower write-offs. A detractor from the equity performance in the fund was Visa. We continue to hold Visa in the fund's portfolio as we expect that its integrated network and global reach should allow it to outperform and out-earn smaller competitors. We added a new position in the quarter called CACI International, which provides information technology products and services to the U.S. Department of Defense and civilian bodies. In terms of our outlook, despite a recent resurgence in active cases of COVID-19, we remain positive about the vaccination rates in the U.S. as well as Canada. We believe that this will allow global activity to return to normal sooner than some market participants expect, and we're well positioned for the reopening with names such as McDonald's, VeriSign, and Sensata. We continue to focus on owning businesses with competitive advantages and free cash flow growth. Thank you.